So in here you can see the breech block soaking in kerosene in a little tub, and it is working to get all the junk out. It's filthy in there. I mean, it's been sitting since yesterday, so kind of overnightish, and when I swirl it around I can actually hear and see and feel grit. So I know it's working. Eventually I'm going to pull it out and then scrub it by hand with the toothbrush. That's a pretty nasty breech bolt right there. As far as filthy and gross, I can tell it's a lot cleaner though. Look how nasty that kerosene is. Now I did do a little bit of hand scrubbing on the trigger group and all the parts here, which are now soaking in clean kerosene as well. A few chunks have come off just from soaking. But again, I did already scrub this with a toothbrush and kerosene in a little tub to get a lot of big chunks off, but I'm going to let this soak probably overnight or so. The only issue with using the kerosene is the smell. If you've been around diesel fuel or heating fuel or kerosene for any length of time, you know it really smells. So that's what we got so far for the parts. This tub, once I finish cleaning these trigger parts real good and soaking them, I'll probably reuse this same kerosene for the receiver, because the receiver's really gunked up and nasty looking. So this is what's going on next with this Model 12 project. So stay tuned if you're interested, and if not, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.